Hair structure and growth. Hair is a complex structure that plays an essential role in personal identity, cultural expression, and even thermoregulation. Understanding the intricate details of hair structure and its growth patterns can aid in numerous fields ranging from cosmetology to medical research. This lecture will delve into the anatomy of hair, elucidate the process of hair growth, and help identify various hair types and their characteristics. Anatomy of hair. The human hair is primarily composed of a protein called keratin, which also makes up our nails and the outer layer of skin. The hair can be divided into two main parts, the follicle and the hair shaft. 1. Hair follicle. The bulb. The base of the follicle is the bulb, where cells divide and grow to build the hair shaft. Dermal papilla. Located at the base of the bulb, it contains blood vessels that supply nutrients to growing hair. Matrix. Surrounds the dermal papilla and is where new hair cells are produced. Inner and outer root sheaths. These layers protect the growing hair. 2. Hair shaft. The hair shaft consists of 3 layers. Cuticle. The outermost layer, which contains overlapping cells, provides protection against damage. Cortex. The middle layer containing keratin fibers, which gives hair its strength, color, and texture. Medulla. The innermost layer, present in thicker hairs, contributes to the core structure. Understanding hair structure and growth patterns. Hair growth occurs in phases, and at any given time, different strands of hair on your body can be in different stages of the growth cycle. 1. Anagen growth phase. This phase can last anywhere from 2 to 7 years, during which the hair grows actively. The length of this phase determines how long hair can grow. 2. Catagen transition phase. A short period lasting 2 to 3 weeks where the hair stops growing and detaches from the blood supply. 3. Telogen resting phase. Lasting around 3 months, this is when the hair is fully formed and lies dormant until it falls out and new growth can begin. 4. Exogen shedding phase. The final step in the cycle, where old hair sheds and new hair begins to grow again. Identifying hair types and characteristics. Understanding hair types is crucial for appropriate care and styling. The primary categories include straight, wavy, curly, and coily, each with distinct characteristics. 1. Straight hair. Straight hair, typically fine and smooth, tends to be more resistant to curling and can become oily quickly due to sebum distribution. 2. Wavy hair. Wavy hair has a defined wave pattern and is more prone to frizz than straight hair, offering a voluminous look. 3. Curly hair. Curly hair is characterized by springy curls and tends to dry out quickly, requiring more moisture retention strategies. 4. Coily hair. Coily hair, often referred to as kinky or afro-textured, has tight curls or zigzag patterns and is very fragile and prone to breakage.
Caring for different hair types. Each hair type requires specific care to maintain its health and appearance. 1. Straight hair. Use lightweight products to avoid greasiness. Regular washing to prevent oil buildup. 2. Wavy hair. Opt for anti-frizz serums and creams. Avoid heavy products that can weigh down waves. 3. Curly hair. Deep conditioning treatments to lock in moisture. Minimize heat styling to prevent damage. 4. Coily hair. Moisturizing oils and creams are essential. Gentle detangling with wide-tooth combs. The role of genetics and environment. Hair characteristics such as texture, color, and growth patterns are influenced by genetics and environmental factors. Here's how. Genetic factors. Genetics determine the initial hair type, color, and growth rate. Hormonal changes can affect hair growth cycles and patterns. Environmental factors. UV exposure can lead to hair damage and color fading. Pollution may increase scalp irritation, impacting hair health. Common hair disorders. Understanding hair disorders is vital, particularly for those in healthcare and beauty sectors. Here are a few notable conditions: androgenetic alopecia, commonly known as male or female pattern baldness due to genetic and hormonal factors. Alopecia areata, an autoimmune condition causing patchy hair loss. Telogen effluvium, a temporary condition often triggered by stress or shock leading to excessive shedding. Trichotillomania, a psychological disorder leading individuals to pull out their own hair. Here's a summary. Hair structure and growth. Hair structure. 1. Keratin protein. Hair is made of keratin, a type of protein. 2. Hair layers. Hair has 3 layers: medulla, cortex, and cuticle. 3. Hair shaft and root. Hair grows from the root, with the shaft being the visible part. Hair growth cycle. 1. Anagen phase. Active growth phase, lasting 2 to 6 years. 2. Catagen phase. Transitional phase, lasting 2 to 3 weeks. 3. Telogen phase. Resting phase, lasting 3 to 4 months. 4. Exogen phase. Shedding phase, where hair falls out. Hair growth factors. 1. Genetics. Inherited traits influence hair growth and texture. 2. Hormones. Hormonal changes can affect hair growth and density. 3. Nutrition and diet. Adequate nutrition is essential for healthy hair growth. 4. Age and health. Hair growth slows with age, and health conditions can impact growth. Hair texture and classification. 1. Hair texture, classified as fine, medium, or coarse. 2. Hair type, classified as straight, curly, wavy, or kinky. Understanding hair structure and growth. 1. Importance for hairstylists. Understanding hair structure and growth patterns helps with cutting, coloring, and styling. 2. Impact on hair care. Knowing hair structure and growth patterns informs hair care routines and product choices. 3. Influence on hair growth. Understanding hair growth patterns helps with promoting healthy hair growth.
Here's a summary. Understanding hair structure and growth patterns. Hair structure. 1. Keratin protein. Hair is made of keratin, a type of protein. 2. Hair layers. Hair has 3 layers: medulla, cortex, and cuticle. 3. Hair shaft and root. Hair grows from the root, with the shaft being the visible part. Hair growth patterns. 1. Anagen phase. Active growth phase, lasting 2 to 6 years. 2. Catagen phase. Transitional phase, lasting 2 to 3 weeks. 3. Telogen phase. Resting phase, lasting 3 to 4 months. 4. Exogen phase. Shedding phase, where hair falls out. Hair growth factors. 1. Genetics. Inherited traits influence hair growth and texture. 2. Hormones. Hormonal changes can affect hair growth and density. 3. Nutrition and diet. Adequate nutrition is essential for healthy hair growth. 4. Age and health. Hair growth slows with age, and health conditions can impact growth. Hair texture and classification. 1. Hair texture, classified as fine, medium, or coarse. 2. Hair type, classified as straight, curly, wavy, or kinky. Understanding hair structure and growth patterns. 1. Importance for hairstylists. Understanding hair structure and growth patterns helps with cutting, coloring, and styling. 2. Impact on hair care. Knowing hair structure and growth patterns informs hair care routines and product choices. 3. Influence on hair growth. Understanding hair growth patterns helps with promoting healthy hair growth. Conclusion. Understanding hair structure and growth is essential not only for cosmetic purposes but also for the overall health and maintenance of hair. By recognizing the different hair types and their unique requirements, you can tailor hair care practices to ensure optimal hair health and appearance. Whether through genetic predisposition or environmental influences, the journey of maintaining healthy hair is one of continuous learning and application. With this knowledge, you are now better equipped to navigate the world of hair care with confidence, understanding the intricacies behind the hair that defines so much of our personal expression and identity. Thank you for taking this lesson, hair structure and growth. We hope to see you in the next lesson. Happy learning!